Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Laurel Hess and this is Comcast Newsmakers coming to you from the State Capitol building in downtown Lansing. Our topic today is the Children's Miracle Network. Joining me now to talk about it is Matt Romkey. It's Senior Associate Director at Beaumont. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
What exactly is the Children's Miracle Network?
Well, Children's Miracle Network is a network of 170 premier children's hospitals throughout the United States and Canada. We're funded with really two simple missions: that 100% of the funds raised stay local in the community which they're raised, and that no child is ever turned away regardless of their ability to pay. So each year we treat over 17 million kids a year. And at Beaumont Children's Hospital, we treat over 100,000 kids each year. So these kids are coming to us in our pediatric unit, and they're being treated for months at a time for cancer or leukemia. They're being born premature and spending several weeks or months in our NICU, our neonatal intensive care unit, or they're just coming to us with simple issues like a broken bone and are going through our ER. All these kids are impacted by the Children's Miracle Network hospitals and the funds that we raise and the funds that we're going to raise during the month of May here.
And you are in the midst of a fundraising campaign. How are you out in the community raising funds, and how can folks who may stumble across a fundraiser, if you will, contribute if they'd like to?
Yes, absolutely. We are in our May is for Miracles, and it's such an awesome opportunity here locally in the state of Michigan. We're going to raise about $2 million to help kids treated at Beaumont Children's Hospital, Sparrow Hospital in Lansing, Hurley Children's Hospital in Flint, and Helen DeVos Children's Hospital in Grand Rapids. And so when folks are out and they see our iconic paper Children's Miracle Network balloon, they can purchase that. And we'll be selling those at retail locations like Walmart and Sam's Club, Costco, Speedway, Rite Aid, Chico's brands, Soma, White House Black Market, you name it, it's going to be out there. Ollie's Bargain Outlet. So there's more than a dozen retail outlets this month that are supporting Children's Miracle Network hospitals and the funds and the missions that we support here locally at our children's hospitals.
You're just trying to get the word out that if you run across a fundraiser, or certainly you can seek one out if you'd like to do that as well, to contribute whatever you might be able to. And then where exactly do the funds go? How do the children benefit?
Absolutely. So folks can donate at the register, and that's where you'll see a lot of our logos located at the register. So please give generously, and know that it stays local to help the local kids. At Beaumont Children's Hospital specifically, we support over 33 pediatric programs each year. So that may be a patient treatment scholarship for a kid who's having speech and language delays. We'll provide a treatment scholarship for them, or for a rehab patient. We also help to purchase really high-end specialized bikes for kids that may not be able to ride a normal bike and who are going through developmental delays. So each hospital spends the funds a little bit differently, but ultimately it's to make the kids feel normal and give a sense of normalcy to a kid who's going through something that their peers aren't going through that in the school. So we do a lot of Valentine's Day parties or St. Patrick's Day parties, so that the kids feel like they're going through normal things too. So even though they're in the hospital.
And this local Michigan statewide effort is really part of a larger national fundraising effort as well, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. Nationwide, we have an incredibly audacious goal to raise $1 billion by 2022 annually. So our organization was founded in 1983, and we've raised over $5 billion. But by 2022, we want to get to raising $1 billion annually. With healthcare changes and healthcare reform, we really believe that the kids locally need our support, and we're looking forward to giving that to them.
All right. Great. Thank you so much. Good luck with the fundraising. Great organization. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.
If you would like more information on today's topic, you can head to their website, which is childrensmiraclenetworkhospitals.org.